I do it at every hotel breakfast, and I'm disappointed every time. I can't do it. I'm a 6. What am I? Oh God, it's been so long since I boiled an egg. What is my?
9 minutes.
9 minutes. 9 minutes? Really? That feels long. Either way, mine don't look like this.
9 minutes.
Oh yeah, I mean every morning. Hey Siri, set a timer for 9 minutes. I can't.
Too long.
It's so. I'm gonna eat it. But. They're so chalky. Do you think we're gonna remember how to hike?
Yeah, probably.
It's been a long time. 5 full days.
Yes.
But we're getting ready, slowly but surely. I'm trying to put on my engine G's, which is a process. If you know, you know. Talked about it on day 0. It's just, sometimes it just takes a second. Try to get these little tootsies in there. Look how shiny and new these guys are. I don't even know how to act. I wanted a different color, but all they had at the store was the same exact color I got last time, but not a big deal at all, but you know. I wanted a different color. But I'm excited. My feet do not hurt anymore. Yay. Okay. We're back in the woods.
It feels so good to be back.
I know, it feels so good to be back out here. And it is a gorgeous day for McAfee Knob. A little bit of a late start. It's 10:30, but we knew that. We were going to take our time at the hotel, get some breakfast. We just got dropped off in our Uber. And now we're going to get going. I'm excited.
I guess I'm gonna need you to pull my clothes out, so I didn't do that.
You try to do it with one hand, hold up. Wait! Can't get it! It's getting stuck on the cork. Okay, 1. I can't do it. We might be having to go around. Got a little bit of a traffic jam coming up.
We may be going this way, but I don't know.
Hi, friends. Friends.
I'm looking for a blaze because there's like trail that goes.
Well, this is probably also someone's property, so they might use that. Hey, guys. Can we come through? Do any of you have horns? Or is it just the ladies? No. I don't think, yeah, that's not it. There's no way. Hello. Hi, cuties. Can we pass? Is that okay? Can you see it as bad in your face?
I just wiped it.
Oh, can you see it on mine?
Yes.
It's a little humid, y'all. Back on trail. Back in it. Back in the humid green tunnel.
Trail's like Howard and Burgers.
I know. I'm sweating out trail days right now. I'm gonna be real honest. We ate at that diner like 8 times. Just French fries, burgers, chicken tenders, a gallon of Coke at every meal. I'm sweating it out right now. But honestly, if anybody from Damascus ever watches my video, specifically bonus points if you work at the diner, shout out to you because you guys were incredible.
Yes.
Like, trail days is absolute chaos and the diner is not that big. And we went every day this weekend. We left on Sunday. So one would imagine by Sunday, y'all were tired. And I get that. I used to wait tables. But every time we went in there, you were just still so incredibly kind and still smiling. And that's amazing. Because by that time, if that were me, I'd have been over it. So I hope y'all made a ton of freaking money this weekend. With a bunch of Trail Days patrons. But yeah, shout out to y'all. Y'all were killing it all weekend. Just did not stop. And I saw the same faces in there multiple days in a row. So I know y'all were exhausted.
I don't know if we talked about it, but somebody bought one of our meals.
Yeah.
In there anonymously.
We didn't talk about it. And we don't know who. They didn't tell us. But
So kind.
yeah, somebody bought our meal. So we got magicked by an angel.
So thank you.
An anonymous angel. If you see this one day, thank you for buying our lunch. It was much appreciated. I might have to lose these sunnies. It's dark in there now, in the tunnel. Okay. Oh my god.
Okay, we're both shooting video right now because, wow. So I want to describe this experience. Heather's walking in front of me.
I'll turn my video off so it's not going to be complicated.
And we both heard a sound, and it was a hiss. It was like a, and we both looked up and we were like, what is that? And then we heard like a, I don't know. Yeah, huge rattlesnake that you can now hear.
He is coiling.
I wish he was farther from the trail so that I didn't have to worry about other people behind us. But we haven't seen anybody behind us. And there he is. He's big. It's a big timber rattler. You can see the black tail. He's coiled up. And he's probably from me 10 feet. Yeah. Not happy to have us in his neighborhood, but pretty cool to see. Pretty scary. Yeah, my heart rate's up. So, they're out.
Any closer, but...
They're out. I'll zoom in one more time for you. Pretty cool. Pretty freaking scary.
Oh. So we just came through to the McAfee Knob parking lot, which is closed, but we saw in far out that there was a comment saying we will be doing trail magic today here at 1 p.m. It is 1 p.m. and they are here.
Cool.
So that never happens to us. We just literally got lucky. We read the comment in far out and it was like trail magic here today at 1 p.m. and we rolled through the parking lot at 12:58. So, excuse me, I'm burping because I ate so much. So they were 23, class of 2023. That was Bagel and Slim Pickens. And he also has like a full-length documentary on YouTube called Stumble. So everybody check that out. But super kind people. They just came from trail days. And now they're doing some magic as they make their way back home. So we had some burgers and some fresh fruit. It was so good. Some watermelon. And now we've got less than 4 miles to McAfee Knob on this gorgeous day, which I'm so excited for. Oh. But I might have to put you away because we got a little bit of a climb. And I need my balls. I was just taking a video of you leaving. So that was McAfee's knob. Super great day for it. It was beautiful. We actually saw somebody up there with like their wedding dress. I guess they were taking like maybe engagement photos or like some kind of wedding photos. Not sure, but it's kind of cool. But I didn't realize we were gonna also hit Tinker Cliffs today. So probably gonna be getting to the shelter a little late since it's like 5:30 right now. And I don't know if it's Tinker Cliffs is as scrambly as Dragon's Tooth was, but yeah, might be rolling in a little late. It's okay. We stayed at that Trail Magic for like an hour. I was like, oh, we gotta go. We've been here a long time. So, but yeah, we got the pictures, got the iconic pictures. I just didn't do too much video because I'm like, honestly, I mean, I'm sure it's busy every day, but I was shocked to see as many people as there were up there on a Monday. So, but yeah, I guess it's because it's been raining and gross past couple of days. First day of sunshine, everybody's coming outside. There goes way. Wow. Oh. Getting a little late. I'll be rolling up in the dark-ish. But this sign said 0.6 miles was the shelter, and this has been the longest 0.6 miles of my life. I don't think that sign was accurate. There's no way. I feel like I've gone.
I see something down there.
I believe
it.
it.
Might be looking at a roof. Could be a privy.
I believe it when I see it. Just doing a video.